Bluehost has been in the business of helping customers succeed online since their founding in 2003. Their journey began right alongside the start of WordPress. They've got a powerful combination of enterprise-grade reliability and performance with SMB affordability, and now with all kinds of useful AI innovation. So let's meet Sachin Puri, Bluehost CEO. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Tell us about the history of Bluehost.
Absolutely. Right from the beginning, Bluehost has been built around providing enterprise-grade technology to SMBs and enterprises at large. What that means is we have always been focused towards providing speed, performance, and reliability backed by enterprise-grade support. We believe that ease of use is prime. On top of that, now with AI, we have only accelerated that even further, and I'm happy to be here and talk more about that, and that too at an SMB affordability.
Interesting. Tell us more about the SMB focus.
More than 90% of enterprises are categorized globally as SMBs. In the US, 43.5% of GDP is generated by SMBs, and more than 50% of the jobs are created by SMBs.
Brilliant. Well, I would agree. The business of America is really about SMBs. And how do you see AI as relevant and impactful for those SMBs?
AI really creates a very equal playing field. Right now, there is a lot of race of companies building AI solutions. We believe not all AI are created equal. And our approach is human plus AI together. So we have designers, professional grade designers who build designs that are meant for things to work online. And they have years and years of experience. When we match that with our AI capability, our customers get a truly authentic experience in their own brand voice. So they have choices in which how they want to represent themselves.
Oh, so helpful. And what else set you apart at Bluehost?
See, when we have looked at our customer experience, we have looked at through and through, end-to-end journey. Most businesses start with an idea. Now, we have AI domain generator where customers use our AI domain generator to play around and brainstorm with their ideas to choose the right name that represents their company and their idea. From there, they can easily attach a business email with ready-to-use templates of signature, emails to send that makes them look very professional and credible. From there onwards, they can seamlessly use our AI website generator to develop a website of their choice with hundreds of options to choose from and customize from. We have AI custom blocks where people can customize their experience even more. From there, if somebody wants to sell things online, our AI store generator takes all of that expertise and build a store with single-click checkout, product catalog management, and whatever is needed for store to be successful, whether they are selling or scheduling appointment. And lastly, from the discovery standpoint, traffic is important, is the lifeline of any website. So how does that website show up in search results, AI results, and we have deeply integrated AI technology that allows customers to get their brand insight to show up well on search engines and AI assistant platform.
Wow, so many great unlocks there. What sort of feedback are you getting from customers leveraging your AI solutions?
Feedback is a gift, and we take it such. One of our agency partners told us that the technology that we have launched is a game changer. They've been able to improve their content development productivity by 60%.
Wow. So clearly Bluehost has gone beyond traditional SMB hosting, offering AI functionality, as well as incredible reliability and support. What's been the secret there to offering enterprise-grade performance to SMBs?
End of the day, it really comes down to the infrastructure that is powering the system. And we have invested over the period of time in enterprise-grade infrastructure that backed by 99.99% of uptime reliability. What that means versus the 99.9% offered by many other hosts is whether your site downtime would be potentially 4 minutes versus 44 minutes each month. Now, that is huge. You want your website to be up, secure, and performant. Now, when it comes to enterprise-grade performance, also access to customer support. Hundreds of customer support agents that are professional in handling SMBs, and enterprise ask. We even go beyond and help our customers in building their website, optimizing their website, if they so choose, want us to help us with that. That is the reason when you look at Bluehost reviews on Trustpilot, we are 4.6 on the excellent spectrum. And that has been given by 26,000 customers saying every single day when they call customer support from Bluehost, they feel satisfied and they recommend us. That is very humbling, and it allows us to stay focused on this right path and providing that enterprise-grade reliability, performance, security, and support.
Thanks so much for joining us on this special AI edition of Tech Impact.
Thank you for having me. It's exciting.
And if you'd like to learn more, check out their AI webpage at bluehost.ai. That's bluehost.ai, or log on to techimpact.tv.